That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Jessa, 25 years old. Dati may leukemia ako. Kasabay sa pag-take ko ng aking mga gamot, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Ang laking tulong talaga ng Santon Plus. And finally, I'm a leukemia survivor.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus
Ako
Gold.
nga pala si May. Nabuhan ako ng bukol sa aking suso. Nasubukan ko ang Santon Plus Gold, 2 kapsula, 3 times a day sa loob ng 3 buwan. Lumiit ang bukol sa suso ko.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang galing! Pang matagalan.
Parang tayo lang, Han, no? Everest Appliances.
Babe, ano ever best decision mo in life?
Siyempre, building a home with you. Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Hi, I'm Lynn Cruz, a businesswoman and happy wife of Tirsa Cruz III. Raising my kids with the aim to Christian teachings is my joy. I got to know MX3 through my mom. Ni-research ko talagang mabuti ito. Since then, I always make sure I have it in my bag. Taking MX3 capsules with my healthy diet and workout, I'm able to cope well with life's challenges. With God by my side and MX3 in my life, I am prepared to face whatever the future brings.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tunay, natural, at original.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RMN.